Let's see if anyone wants to join, maybe. Hey, Eden, how's it going? Hey, James, thank you for stopping in. Heard someone is doing the skulls today. That's gonna be interesting. It's the 22nd of December today, and yeah, let's open this thing and see what we have. Okay, 2 more to go, and I think there's something special on the number 24. This has some white under it again, dark chocolate. Hello, Kaylee. This was also fruity, some sort of jam almost. Kind of raspberry maybe. I don't know, what do you say, Kaylee? I don't really quite got what you said about the praline today. Was a bit jammy, I think. Anyway, challenge today was tell a naughty story and bleep out all the bits. I'm not one for I think it was almost some kind of raspberry-ish, maybe. It's really hard. The chocolate overpowers a lot of flavors, so it's quite hard to pick one out. Anyway, I appreciate dirty jokes. I don't like telling dirty jokes, and we're supposed to keep things a bit family friendly here, so once upon a time there was a bleep the end. There we go. It was a very dirty one. So James, since you want to do the skulls, I got a slightly deformed number 2 skull here. I thought, why not? This is from first time I bought the Insanity Challenge. It was the package was smashed. All the skulls except like the 2 red ones were smashed. So yeah, you see how this looks. It's almost wearing a helmet. So I thought, let's eat it. Yeah, James. Since you do 2 today, I thought I can at least do the second mildest, which is still pretty damn hot. Here we go. Wow. Okay. Apparently these can get old. That wasn't very nice. It's almost has a candy texture to it. Crunches a bit. Yeah, not nice at all. Bit weird taste. Yeah, exactly. That's good to good to know. Don't keep chocolate for too long. Well, got that in the wrong throat, so that stung a bit since it got down into the esophagus. No, that's, what's the other one? Windpipe. Whew. So yeah, not nice. Don't eat old chocolate. So let's eat some more chocolate just to get rid of the taste. I'm gonna try to remove paper from this last bit of the Moab. Yeah, James, I don't think that the orange one is all. Can't escape. You owe me. Okay, I can't get rid of all the paper, so I guess I'm eating some paper. To get rid of that nasty taste. Drops a bit. Yeah, this was way better. Fiber is good for you. Yeah, sure. So I did an intro to my YouTube channel today. I think it turned out alright. I'm not much of an editor. And I do everything on my phone. So and I did find this website, what do you call it? Epidemic Music, I think. Epidemic Sounds. Where if you create an account, you got a lot of music you can put in your videos without getting hit by copyright stuff. It's pretty good. If you haven't seen it, check it out. My stomach from yesterday was actually not that bad. I thought it would be horrible after eating all those pods, but was all right. So I guess the stomach is slowly starting to adapt to all this hot stuff as well. Thank you. Thank you, Kaylee. The Moab isn't that bad actually. It's not super hot. So that's the last piece of this Moab. Billy McBlain, hello, welcome to the show. So I'm gonna miss that. Like I said, a very, very tasty bar. Let's do some pods as well, since why not? I don't think I will do all 3, but maybe 1 or 2. Got a proper throat burn now. This one smells more than a few others. Ooh, yeah, this one smells pretty hot. So these are the ghost peppers I found in the store a couple of days back. So sorry for the lack of variety, but it's all I got. Tough to find pods. Thank you, Kevin. Hey, Patrick. The praline from the calendar today wasn't very hot, I think. Maybe it just got overpowered by everything else. Another pod. This had a serious amount of black seeds in it. See if I can take some of those out. Those are not very nice. Some of the placenta disappears now because I don't want all those black seeds. BSM. Don't know what that means. Getting a bit hot now. Yeah, what time? You said 8. Black seeds matter, yeah. That's why I'm not eating them. Whew. That pole was quite hot. So I'm not so placenta in that one. Down the hatch. Ghost peppers, Kaylee. That's I only have ghost peppers and Carolina Reapers because that's what I could find in the store. Yeah, that one was very firm and crispy. Good taste initially on that one. Bit of bitterness on the end. Ooh. Proper burn on my left side, on the back of the tongue. Throat is not so bad. Like straight down. Usually I get pain on the sides. And in the roof of the mouth. Yeah, those last two were pretty hot. What do you say? Should I do another one? Maybe. This is a bit mushy. Maybe I'll just do half. Still a pretty big pepper. Leave this mushy bit. That one is gonna hurt my stomach. I can feel it already. And I don't think I chewed it properly. Ooh. Thank you, Patrick. Yeah, a lot have happened, especially the last couple of months. With the tolerance. Like a year ago I could not really eat habanero, and sometimes jalapenos gave me a bad time as well. So yeah, a lot have happened, which is cool. Never thought I would be able to eat peppers. This was hot. So, not really sure what I should do tomorrow. Maybe if you have any ideas, let me know. Yeah, Ulrika, I think I might do the insanity or try in January. Maybe up a tree. Whew. Wanna try to do my challenges in trees, because it's fun. Okay, that's it for today. I'm gonna keep an eye out for your skull video games, and see you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Bye.